Welcome to the SAP Business One import journal voucher from Excel file using B1IF. In this session, we are going to see how we can install and configure a B1IF package that comes with SAP Business One B1IF installation in order to import Excel files into journal vouchers within SAP Business One. First, we will start by installing the package, and this is easily done by specifying the package to be installed during the installation of the integration component of SAP Business One. In the advanced details forms in the installation wizard, you will be able to select and specify that you want to include the advanced payroll support. Even though it says here that it's German only, it can be used without the connection to the German payroll system. You'll be able to specify the input directory for the Excel file as well. Together with that, you'll be able to also specify other components to be included in the installation. After the installation, we can go ahead and use the package. So the package was deployed and active, and we can see that by going into the integration framework, and we can go to the scenarios, and under the control menu we can see that we have here the SAP-datev-HR package, and it's checked as active. Additional information and documentation will be available in this document button, and now we can just see how this works. I have here an example import file, and let's quickly open that in Excel file in XML extension. And this file includes the specification of the company database name, and then rows, while each row specifies a debit or a credit, as well as the GL account code and the amount and currency to be imported into the journal voucher. Now all I have to do is just to copy this file, so let's right click and copy, and paste it into the input directory we specified during the installation of the package. And here we can see that I specified the C temp in directory, and all I have to do is just to paste here the file and wait a bit. The B1IF will grab the file. As you can see, the file went away, and just a recommendation, always highly recommended to copy the file rather than just move the file into this directory, because it's just going to go away. Now within SAP Business One you will get an alert, and the alert will have the link to the journal voucher that was created, as you can see here, and the journal voucher will have all the rows that were specified within the Excel file that we just imported.